Welcome to M&E's Part Spotlight series. Today we'll be talking about our line of beam clips. The first question you may ask yourself is why use these clips at all? It's very important to make sure that all hoses and wires are kept from rubbing on anything or from hanging low where they could get damaged. So why not just drill a hole or weld on a bracket? One reason would be the safety of drilling in these many times awkward locations where shavings could be falling onto you. With welding, you need to get out all of the equipment, and the heat of the welding could damage other wires or hoses nearby. You also have to be careful of any flammable material or even fumes in the area. Then after welding, repaint the area so it does not rust. Also with welding or drilling, this will usually void warranties on your equipment. Our beam clips are very quick and easy to install. When installing these clips, use all appropriate PPE per your company's guidelines, including but not limited to safety glasses and gloves. Let's take a look at some of the available options. It is important to note that all of the parts you see here are made in the USA. Now let's talk about some of the available styles. First, let's talk about our plastic crossmember clips. This clip is used for a standard 4-inch crossmember. You will not need any tools to install this part, just your hands. You would use this clip when running wire or wires parallel to the crossmember. Let's take a look at how to install the crossmember clip. Identify the notch you'd like to use. Hold the wire in the approximate location of the notch and slide on the clip and snap into place. Now let's look at our steel beam clips. These clips are finished with 5/10 zinc and yellow dichromate for superior salt spray resistance. To install these, you only need a hammer and, if required, a cutter to trim the cable tie. The clips are available in many sizes and configurations, and this may be confusing, so let's go through some of the options. Let's first talk about grip range. This is the thickness of the metal that the clip is made to mount on. It is very important to choose the correct grip range or the clips will not perform as desired. We have three main sizes. First is the standard or small beam clip, which has a grip range of 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch thickness. Next is the medium beam clip. This has a grip range of 5/16 to 1/2 inch. Then we have the large clip, which has a grip range of 9/16 inch to 3/4 inch. Now let's talk about the available styles. This is the standard beam clip. It would be used for routing tubes and wires parallel to the part you're mounting it to, whether that be an I-beam, a C-channel, or an angle. The two main styles of the beam clips are the inside and outside mount. The outside mount is our most popular. This refers to the side of the clip that the cable tie mount is located. The outside mount is located on the outside of the clip, and the inside mount is located on the inside of the clip. Hold the clip by the cable tie as shown. Then carefully, using a hammer, hammer on the clip, making sure the clip is fully engaged to the crossmember. Now you can tie your wire up with the cable tie. Please note that all of the metal clips shown here are one-time use and should not ever be removed and reused. Another style of beam clip is what is referred to us as the heavy-duty beam clip. This does not refer to the grip strength, but only the size of the part. The reason for choosing this clip would be the need to run tubes or wires in any direction, not just parallel to the crossmember by rotating the cable tie mount. Hold the clip in your hand as shown. Using a hammer, apply the clip to the crossmember. Now you can tie up your wire with the cable tie. You'll notice this clip can be rotated to change the direction the wire is running. The last option when choosing a beam clip assembly is the cable tie. When referring to the cable tie, you first refer to the overall length of the cable tie. Next, you refer to the breaking strength of the tie. The higher the strength, the wider and thicker the tie gets. All of M&E's cable ties used in these clips are produced in the USA with carbon black material to provide UV protection. Lastly, there is one special clip that is useful in special applications. This is a beam clip with an angle bracket attached. The cable mount as well as the angle can be rotated to give lots of flexibility in special need locations. Similar to the other clips, use a hammer and hammer on the clip to the cross member. This clip gives you a lot of adjustment by rotating the cable tie mount or the angle bracket. Thank you for watching our Part Spotlight series. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. If you have any questions or need help locating a distributor, feel free to call or email us. Our parts are also available on our Amazon store. If you do not see a part you're looking for, let us know and we'll add it to our store.